My friends, welcome back to another video. My friends, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video I'm talking about the Babydoge my friends. What's the latest in urgent update of the Babydoge? And my friends, in this video we are also going to discuss the future of the Babydoge. So keep watch this video complete, and if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe our channel. So now my friends, first of all, if we talk about the price of the Babydoge, so now the price of the Babydoge is very low. You can see here I can't count the number of zeros here, but the price is very low. Other side, my friends, if we talk about the price changes, you can see negative 16.1%. The price of the Babydoge is going down. So my friends, I know that the current situation is not good, but with the passage of time everything will be okay, my friends. Everything will be okay. You can see here that now here is the market cap. You can see her 24 hours trading volume. That is the 24 hours trading volume, and I think that now it is the beginning of the Babydoge coin. My friends, maximum supply, fully diluted valuations. Let me show you the price chart. My friends, first of all, tell me in the comment box, how do you feel about Babydoge coin today? My friends, feeling personally I'm feeling good about Babydoge coin. Oh, you can see 66% people feeling good about Babydoge coin, and 34% people feeling bad about Babydoge coin. My friends, everything will be okay. You can see the last 1 week changes is positive, last 14 days changes is positive, with only the last 24 hours changes is negative, but now the last 1 hour changes is again going good. So that's why the people are feeling good about Babydoge coin, because in the last hour the Babydoge coin start pumping, and I hope that they will continue this pump for a long time, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Babydoge coin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.